Dear students, welcome to the virtual class. Chapter 25 Saint Gregorios of Nazianz. Objectives of the lesson: to learn about the saintly life and contributions of Saint Gregorios of Nazianz, one among the three Cappadocian fathers, and to follow their virtues in our lives. Cappadocian fathers: Saint Basil the Great, his younger brother Gregory of Nyssa, Saint Gregory of Nazianz. In this chapter, we will study the brief life lesson of Saint Gregorios of Nazianz, a monk in the making, theological contributions. Titles of Saint Gregory: Cappadocian Father, Theologos, designated theologian at Synod of Chalcedon, AD 451. Theologian title given to Apostle St. John and St. Gregory. Brief life sketch of St. Gregorios of Nazianz. St. Gregory was born to wealthy parents in Nazianz in AD 330. His mother, who was an ardent believer, converted his father to Christianity. Later he was ordained as Bishop of Nazianz in AD 372. Gregory, after his primary education, went to Alexandria and later to Athens for higher studies. He became good friends with Saint Basil, the Cappadocian father. In AD 361, the Gregory returned to Nazianz and was ordained a priest by his father. Though his father wanted him to be active in parish ministry, young Gregory wished to lead a solitary life. Subsequently, Gregory joined the monastery of Saint Basil. He was ordained Bishop of Sassima in AD 372 by Saint Basil. He served also as the Bishop of Constantinople for some time. When he found it difficult to carry out his duties as Bishop of Constantinople, he returned to Sassima and later returned from active service in 383 AD. After enjoying 6 peaceful years in retirement, he passed away on January 25 in 390 AD. His feast day falls on January 25. Cappadocian town. A monk in the making. Turning points. Turning point 1. On the way to Athens, his ship encountered a violent storm, and the terrified Gregory prayed to Christ that if he would deliver him the storm, he would dedicate his life to his service. His prayer was answered. Later he dedicated himself for on the service of the church. Turning point 2. Saint Basil influenced Saint Gregory to become monk. His father wanted him to make him a parish priest. Gregory fled and led solitary life at St. Basil Monastery. Theological contributions. Designated Theologos or theologian and at the Council of Chalcedon AD 451. He was a great poet and powerful orator. At Council of Constantinople, he established the full Godhead of Son and Holy Spirit. He formulated the third paragraph of the Creed. He explained the theory of theosis, God becoming man, that forms a major element in Orthodox spirituality. He explained the theory of theosis, God becoming man, that forms a major element in Orthodox spirituality. His book, Invectives Against Julian, in which he asserts that Christianity will overcome unjust rulers like Julian through love and patience. He defended Orthodox spirituality and convinced heretics to join the church. His teaching on Holy Trinity procession of Holy Spirit from the Father and Son form significant treatise of the Church. Saint Gregory's sermons writing reflected his holiness and theological path. Hope you understand this chapter. Thank you.